we would like to bring to your attention the photocatalytic air purification and decontamination system. When inhaled, the most dangerous and nanoscale particles fly freely in the air and easily get into human blood. These are molecular organic compounds, acute allergy agents, protein macromolecules, solid and liquid aerosols with a particle size of less than 300 nanometers, viruses and bacteria. All traditional filters are accumulative, and they work with great limitations within the needed range of pollutants. And the most important, with the lapse of time, they become a source of dangerous contamination themselves. The disadvantages of existing methods of air purification can be completely eliminated by using photocatalysis. In practice, it is proved by ARPACK devices, which can remove from the air all known organic compounds and pathogenic flora, expanding them to water and carbon dioxide without accumulating it inside the device. The basic element of the system is a porous carrier made of sintered glass beads coated with a photocatalyst, which has a huge, comparable to the area of a football field, reactionary contact surface.
The ARPACK
has a number of such carriers. A modified titanium dioxide has the form of nano-sized powder with a particle size of 5 to 10 nanometers and acts as a photocatalyst. The photocatalyst process proceeds as follows. Under the influence of UV radiation, the catalyst, based on the carrier, forms a highly active oxidative field. All kinds of molecular organic compounds, bacteria, and viruses are completely combusted. The experiments established that the aerosol particles are collected by the system with efficiency close to 100%, within a range of 30 nanometers. With the same efficiency, all known bacteria and viruses, mold, spores, and fungi are captured.
The ARPACK
device is capable to reduce the content of pathogenic microorganisms in the air in 8 to 10 times, in spite of the presence of working or sick people in the room. Thus, the system is oxidation of any organic compounds, removal of nanoscale aerosols without the usage of HEPA filters, molecular purification without usage of absorbents, removal of all types of pathogenic organisms without accumulating on filters, air disinfection without harmful UV radiation in the presence of people.